Well, we've got Fliss coming round today. She's having her custom rack fitted for a VW Caddy. There's nothing Frontrunner wise we could see that would fit with the way she wanted, so we're going to do her a custom rack. We're becoming really well known now for doing custom fit outs. You know, have you seen on our last video, we did Crafter, we done MANTGE, Sprinters, loads of different vans with, you know, kind of windows cut out and stuff for roof lights and what have you, solar installs that clip on nicely. We even got one on our Manigan up there for, that's the ultimate custom one, isn't it? Nice stubby one. But yeah, we've got that booked in. She's going to come over and we're going to get that sorted. She's happy to help, and that's good for me because I get an extra pair of hands and she gets to save a little bit of money.
From the new stuff that we can play. Very shortly, part of the show. I'll give you the choice of two tunes.
Well, I think you'll agree that turned out pretty damn nice, didn't it? So yeah, like I said, if you need anything from us, any special builds or anything like that, as well as standard Frontrunner setups, check out our website, CampervanCulture.com, and we've got everything you need and much more. Take care guys, cheers.